Welcome to Just Gulden. In this guide, I will quickly show you how to restore your Gulden wallet with the backup recovery phrase. I want to keep the two restore videos short and sweet because generally if you're looking to restore, it's probably for a good reason and you want to confirm how to do this quickly. I trust you know how to download and install your wallet, but if you need a refresher, I have left a link in the description below. Okay, let's begin. As you can see on this wallet, I have a balance of 99 Gulden. And here's the transaction I made earlier from my Android wallet. I have also created two additional accounts. So when we do the restore, we should expect to see everything when the sync has completed. So let's go prove it. I will now download and install the wallet on a different instance to do the restore and stop at the new wallet and restore screen, and we'll continue with the guide from this point. I am now at the new wallet and restore screen. Since we are doing a restore, you will click the restore wallet option. This is the screen where you'll enter your backup recovery phrase. I've already written mine out, so I'm just going to paste it in here. And then when you're ready, click Recover Wallet to restart the restore process to recover your Gulden. When you're restoring your wallet, it'll be like doing a new install, which means the entire blockchain will need to be downloaded by the sync process. You'll notice I don't have a balance reflecting or my business or personal accounts I had created. The reason being is that my balance and my accounts were just created for this guide, and I'll need to wait for the entire sync process to complete for it to reflect. One extra comment to make about accounts. Only accounts that had a balance will be restored, and it won't keep the original name. But it's okay because you can rename them back afterwards. So this is where I would like to mention the one main difference between the recovery phrase and restoring with the physical backup file, is that the backup file will restore your accounts with the original names and including accounts that didn't have a balance. I will now speed up the video to show you the outcome after the wallet has downloaded the Gulden blockchain. Show me the Gulden! Now that the Gulden blockchain has completely synced, you can see my balance of 99 Gulden has been restored. This restored named account here is my old business account, because any account that had a balance will be restored. If you had multiple accounts that had a balance before you restored, the first account would be restored, then the next one would be named restored_1, and so forth. You can rename all your accounts that you have. So I'm going to rename the restored account back to business. So on the top right hand corner, there's a cogwheel. Just click on that. Just type in business. Done. Now we want to check to see if the transaction I made with my Android wallet earlier on to the business account is still there. So click on the transaction tab, and there it is. My deposit is in place with the transaction details. So this is great. Everything you've done that was important has been restored, and you can continue where you left off. One last important thing to mention. You'll need to re-encrypt your wallet. So go to Settings, Encrypt Wallet, and put your password in. Click Save, and you're done. For a more detailed guide on backups and encryption, I have added a link in the description below. This concludes the How to Restore from Recovery Phrase guide. I hope it was informative in showing you how easy it is to recover your Gulden in the event you need to. Take care, and thanks for watching.